built-in microwave oven combo. The problem is when you press the microwave door button, it doesn't open. Eventually it will open. The problem is this latch in here isn't made correctly. This part here is set too low right here. It catches on the internal mechanism. If you raise it just slightly, it will continue to operate correctly. But as designed, in here, in this mechanism, it catches and will not open. Repeated tries will get it to open. You have to press multiple times. If you press on most other microwaves of similar type, if you press down and push the door closed, it will not close, but will always remain open. In this case, because the latch is not properly designed, it closes and stays closed until you release.